Located in one of Malabar's premier streets, in a quiet cul-de-sac, family-friendly area with the potential to build your dream home.
Welcome to 92 Austral Street, Malabar. I'm Stephen Stamoulis.
I'm Paul Spanidakis. Raine&Horne Maroubra, come and look at this fantastic opportunity.
So Paul, what are your favourite things about this fantastic opportunity?
Stephen, the location in this quiet cul-de-sac street, the opportunity on 538 square metres of land to build your dream home, capturing some amazing views of Malabar headlands and the golf course, the amenities, close to restaurants, cafes, schools, parks, shopping centres, and some of Sydney's best beaches.
We look forward to seeing you at one of our open homes. Contact us today, Stephen Stamoulis, 0402 442 065.
Paul Spanidakis, 0411 506 007. Raine&Horne Maroubra, we look forward to helping you with your next real estate move.